This was supposed to be a review of a used car, but the universe had a different idea. So today we are going to review Uber food delivery. You're asking, what am I talking about? Just 5 minutes when I left my home to wash the car to prepare for the review, the Uber Eats delivery guy decided to deliver his food directly into the back of this car. Was he speeding? No. He was just driving really close and looking into his telephone, as always. And when I stopped to let a passerby cross the street, he didn't have time to stop either. So he ended up in my back. So instead of doing a review of this car, because right now it's damaged and I need to get it repaired, I thought that maybe let's do a review. No, not Uber Eats review. This will not come today. Let's do a video about how all this happens, how all this process of repairing the car, of calling the police in this case, and all this process from the accident to the repaired car looks like. If you are interested in this or you have questions, please put them in the comment section and I will try to answer as many as possible with the knowledge I have. If needed, we'll ask some experts about this. Let's make a tutorial of this situation for the people that never had a car accident and don't know how to behave in this kind of situations. So hit the comment section, let me know what you think about this kind of accidents. Did you have a car accident ever in your life? How did it go? What do you think about those delivery services like Uber, Bolt, Food and stuff? Do they care more about fast delivery instead of secure driving? Or you have different kind of experiences? Let's figure out this together. Let's discuss. And just to point it out, this is not against these applications, these drivers, because not everybody is driving like crazy. Not everybody is driving while in the phone. So it's just about some margin of the drivers that are doing this during the drive.